Alright, people. In front of you have the Aiwa Exos-9 Gogroove BassPulse. This is the Bluetooth version. Do a sound comparison here. That's probably about it. Alright, let's get into it. Start off with a few songs. We'll be starting off with the BassPulse around volume knob about the 10 o'clock position. Start off with some vocals, then maybe we'll get into stuff with some more beat in a bit. BassPulse first. Turn it up a little bit. 50%.
It's 4 in the morning, the end of December. I'm writing you now just to see if you're better. New York is cold, but I like where I'm living. There's music on Clinton Street all through the evening. I hear that you're building your house deep in the desert. Are you living for nothing now? Hope you're keeping some kind of record, yes. And Jane came by with the lock of your hair. She said that you gave it to her that night when you planned to go clear.
I was playing with a little bit of EQ, by the way. Just a bit.
But did you ever go clear? The last time I saw you,
BassPulse.
you looked so much older. That famous blue raincoat was torn at the shoulder. You'd been to the station to meet every train.
Alright, next song, we'll continue. I'll turn the BassPulse down a little bit, just so there isn't as much port noise. And another song, a little bit of bass. Ah, 50%. We're on the BassPulse now.
I feel like a pit on the mat in the middle of Spaghetti Road. I know there's a light at the end, but the tunnel, it seems so narrow. Trying to find my way, but my shoes is feeling heavy. They say I'm always dragging my feet. World is passion on how fast you can get it. So I'm left behind before I can reach, yeah. Making a life for yourself, getting harder every day.
A lot of port noise with the BassPulse.
Life ain't as long as you think, but it was your way. Time ain't a father to you, and it will never be the same.
Alright. Another one with a little bit of beat.
Rhythm takes control. Always on tonight, and you shine like gold. I can't get enough now. Let me come real close. Baby, strike up pose.
Distortion in the bass.
One foot to the left and jump to the right. On your feet, yeah. And get on down. Real low. One foot to the left and jump to the right. Now what's the vibe? It's a party time. Wanna move my feet now. I wanna drink my wine. Feeling that vibe. We're so alive. It's me and you now. Let me smoke that pipe. I'm feeling so fly. Wanna dance with you. Rhythm.
Alright. One more, maybe two. We'll start off with the bass pulse around 2 o'clock in the volume position. Probably hear the distortion.
Just like a dream. Yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget. All of my fears just disappeared when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just let me.
I'm gonna go back to the bass pulse. We're gonna crank both up to maximum. We'll figure the difference. We'll turn the gain down to about half and leave it the same for both.
All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted. You're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like it. I'm giving to the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you have it all. Now give me yours and be my best that you can be. Then you can have it all. You're moving closer. I feel the heat. Hands on your chest. You're all I want. Now keep me warm. Just like a dream. I'm coming in. The fantasy it never leaves when I'm with you.
Still at max on that.
I give you a taste. Now when you're with me, you can have it. Just love me like you do.
Maybe 70% on the
Just love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted. You're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll.
Uno más. Some more vocals. Bass pulse. 75% volume. We'll match it with the Aiwa. Turn your gain up. Hold on. Sorry. Port is still sealed on the bass pulse, as you can see.
I could move mountains, sail away, only 'cause I got this much faith. This love is alive, but I'm quiet and lonely these times.
2 o'clock.
silver shadows walking by my side. Silver shadow walking by outside. But I ain't coming home tonight. I'll breathe you in my dreams. I'll breathe you in my dreams. I breathe you. I breathe you in my dreams. I breathe you. I'll breathe you in my dreams. I breathe you. I breathe you in my dreams.
Alright, I think that's probably going to do it right there. This video is just for fun, you know. You're talking $300 versus 60, 70. If you can even buy this anymore, I don't know. But that's what it is anyway. Anyway, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Adios.